Thank you so much for joining us today at the Forbes India Leadership Award. We would like to begin by asking you, what does leadership mean today in this world?
Very interesting question. When I think about leadership, I think of two major roles of a leader, and they are as true today as in any situation. One is to set the vision for the team and for the organization, and secondly is to ensure that the team is enabled to remove any hurdles that they face in their day to day. And in today's uncertain world where we have so much geopolitical uncertainty, I think the job of the leader becomes more of the second to
Yeah.
make sure that the team is enabled and to take care of any hurdles that they are encountering day to day.
Right. You did mention the geopolitical scenario, right? How can you make tough decisions while also assuring your team that things are going to go north from here on?
So first and foremost, a leader has to remain calm in such situations, because if a leader shows anxiety or lets the pressure of, let's say, business result show up in day-to-day work, it can really upset a team. My approach has been to first and foremost focus on the safety and the security of the teams and of our customers. And once that is taken care of, then I think everyone is in a better place to deliver on the business results. We faced, I wouldn't say very similar, but one such situation during COVID.
Right.
And I think it played out that once you took care of your teams and your customers, then business results naturally follow. I think we need to keep that in mind when we deal with such situations.
Right. Trying times indeed.
Indeed.
And yeah, one more question which I wanted to ask you was that you've worked across different cultures, different geographies. How is your leadership style different now, and what have you taken away from those practices?
Uh, One, I learned how to appreciate the differences. I learned that what you see at first hand, you should really take the time to understand what is behind it, because there are cultural stereotypes, and in many cases they are true. So, as a leader, you need to give it time to understand what lies behind it. And then eventually, it's all about motivating the people and making sure that they can deliver their best.
Right. Thank you so much, and it was a great conversation we had with you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to be here.